Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef cutlets. First, select thin cuts of beef, such as top round or sirloin, which are ideal for this dish. Next, you'll want to tenderize the beef by pounding it evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. Finally, prepare your breading station with 3 shallow dishes, one for flour, one for beaten eggs, and one for breadcrumbs. Now, let's get those cutlets ready for frying. Take each piece of beef and dredge it thoroughly in the flour, shaking off any excess. Then, dip it into the egg wash, allowing any extra to drip off. Finally, coat it completely in the breadcrumbs, pressing gently to ensure a firm, even layer. Heat about 1/2 inch of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your oil is hot, carefully place the breaded cutlets into the skillet, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. After cooking, transfer the cutlets to a wire rack set over paper towels to drain any excess oil, ensuring they remain perfectly crisp. Your delicious beef cutlets are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright, zesty finish. They pair wonderfully with classic sides like creamy mashed potatoes or a light, crisp green salad. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life with amazing sound, be sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.